VRC Metal Systems is eager to attend the upcoming Maintenance event to demonstrate both shipboard and pure side applications that can offer the Navy the ability to produce additive repairs in forward location. VRC has worked closely with the Navy for years and would like to continue to support the Navy in its pursuit of repair and maintenance solutions. I am Chris Cluse, VRC's Program Technical Manager, and I, along with Tom Gladson, one of VRC's project engineers, would love to demonstrate our new C.A.M.P site, cold spray additive manufacturing portable site, as a pure side solution to generate corrosion and battle damage repairs via established cold spray technology. The C.A.M.P site system provides all the benefits of a fully functioning cold spray facility in an integrated package that can be shipped to ports and piers around the world and even placed on large craft for extended shipboard repair needs. It can be set up as a fully self-supported unit with power and gas supply on board, or it can be operated in a small single container package to run off on-site electrical and gas supply. VRC doesn't want to stop there though, as Tom and I would love to demonstrate a shipboard cold spray leak repair using the Dragonfly system along with our portable dust collector and hatchable glove box systems. The Dragonfly is a released, fully developed product created by VRC in collaboration with the Navy on an SBIR program. The system is ideal for additive maintenance and battle damage repair shipboard, whether pure side or underway. Combined with a portable dust collector, hatchable glove box, and mag-based robotic system, the Dragonfly can provide robotic repair capability to some of the most difficult to reach locations. Please consider VRC's proposal to show the Navy what VRC can provide in the way of pure side and shipboard solutions to help the Navy address their maintenance needs.